Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter Snapchat add friend problem. If you try to add many friends within 5 minutes through the Snapchat application, you may encounter such a problem. Don't try to add friends quickly within 5 minutes from now. Without further ado, let's move on to the solution. As we explained earlier, if you try to add friends by spamming within 5 minutes, the Snapchat algorithm may restrict your account for a short time. You don't need to worry about this. If you are facing the problem of adding friends, wait between 12 to 24 hours. After you fill the range, you can start adding friends. But when adding friends, do not try to add friends by spamming. You can add friends slowly every 5 minutes. You will not enter the restriction process in this process. If you have followed this procedure but the problem persists, let's move on to our other suggestion. Any cache problem in the Snapchat application can cause us to encounter such errors. For this, we can eliminate the problem by clearing the data in cache. During this process, your account will be automatically logged out. For this, make sure you know your account username and password. First of all, let's close the Snapchat app completely. Then open the Settings menu and click on the Applications option. On the screen that opens, select the Snapchat application and click on the Storage option. After this process, click on the Clear Data on the screen option to clear it. If you are an iOS user, open the Settings menu and click on the menu that says General. Then click on iPhone Storage option and select Snapchat app. Then delete the application by clicking on the Delete Application option that says in blue. Then reinstall it by clicking on the Download App option. Now we can check if the issue still persists by opening the Snapchat app. If you are encountering such an error, you can remove the problem by opening the permissions. If your problem persists, we can eliminate the problem by changing the country with the help of a VPN program. For this, first of all, close the Snapchat application and open the Google Play Store application. Download any VPN app and perform connection operation. After this procedure, you can check if the problem still persists. If your problem persists, close the VPN connection and open the Google Play Store application and download the multiple account application. Then clone and open the Snapchat app by opening the app. I can't do this because I'm using an emulator right now. You perform the cloning process by selecting the Snapchat application, log into your Snapchat account and check if the problem persists. I hope the suggestions in the video led to the solution of the problem. You can subscribe to support the channel by liking the video. Thank you for your support.